video I am going to be giving you my top 3 hair goals. Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. And if you are new here, my name is Monica. I am a Kenyan YouTuber and you can support my channel by going ahead and hitting the subscription button below. So go ahead and hit the subscription button below and let us be friends on YouTube. Like this video, watch this video to the end without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. So let us welcome our new members inside. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I do not take it for granted. You are very special to me and to my channel. So now back to the reason for this video. So in this video I am going to be giving you my top 3 hair goals for this year. So for this year, of course, I want to see my hair just being healthy and flourishing, and I want to see some length. So for that to be a reality, I came up with 3 things that I am going to be focusing on this year. So I am giving you that in this video right now. So number 1, I am going to keep away from heat. I am not going to apply anything associated with heat on my hair. I have come to realize and see my hair being healthy and flourishing when I do not apply any heat on my hair. And last year I never applied any heat on my hair, and I saw my hair just being healthy and very nice. And my hair type, of course, when I apply heat, it tends to get heat damage very quickly, so I try as much as possible to stay away from heat. So the last time I blow dried my hair, it was in 2019 in December, and that I did because it was my graduation and I never wanted to plait my hair or do anything that would ruin my hair, so I decided to blow dry my hair. So this year I am not going to blow dry my hair. So if you want to have a healthy natural hair journey, you want to stay away from heat, or if you cannot, try to minimize heat on your hair. So that is number 1. So number 2, I want to deep condition my hair as much as possible. I wash my hair once in a week, and you know, when it comes to natural hair, moisture is everything. Moisture is everything. Nywele yako kuwa na unyevu ni muhimu sana ili kwa kuweza kukuza nywele yako. Nywele ya kiwasilia, kama unataka ikue vizuri, inafaa ikuwe na unyevu ambao unatosha. Kwa hivyo I have decided I just want to make sure that my hair is moisturized. So every time I am going to be washing my hair once in a week, I am going to make sure that I deep condition my hair with the right products, and I am going to make sure that I deep condition my hair with the right products. And if I realize my hair is dry and it is not yet my wash day, I am going to be remoisturizing my hair. So I want to try as much as possible to just moisturize my hair and just keep it soft. So that is my number 2. So my number 3, I am going to stay away from any hairstyle that will ruin my hair. So I am going to be making sure that any hairstyle that I do on my hair, it's a hairstyle that is going to make my hair retain length, a hairstyle that is not going to be manipulative to my hair. So I am also going to try as much as possible to keep my hair in protective styles. I hope I will be able to do that because I don't like plaiting my hair because I get bored so much. I just like doing so many things with my hair, so I just like styling my hair every time and then. So I hope I will be able to do that. But above everything else, I just want to make sure that I retain length as much as possible. So what are your hair goals this year? Can you go ahead and comment down below, and perhaps someone can learn something from it? And I hope that you've been able to learn something from this video, and I hope that this video has been very helpful. And let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching my video to this far. I really appreciate it. So go ahead and share this video and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Thank you, and bye bye. See you in my next one. Bye.